Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. If you launch Minecraft and it gets permanently stuck on the bright red Mojang loading screen, your game client is struggling to load its initial visual assets or authentication cache. I will show you exactly how to bypass this red screen of death on both console and PC right now. Let's get started. First, if you are playing on a PlayStation 4 or 5 and are permanently frozen on the red screen, there is actually a hidden official button combination to bypass it. Completely close the application and launch the game again. The absolute second the red Mojang loading screen appears, press and hold down L1, R1, L2, R2, the Options button, and the touchpad all at the exact same time. Keep holding all 6 of these buttons down until the red screen completely disappears. This forcefully resets the corrupted launcher data and drops you right into the main menu. Next, if you are playing the Windows 10 or 11 Bedrock Edition on PC and the screen turns red but nothing else loads, your computer is likely trying to use your weak integrated graphics. Open your Windows settings, click on System, and select Display. Scroll down and click on Graphics Settings, find Minecraft in the installed app list, click it, and select Options. Change the graphics preference from Let Windows Decide to High Performance to force the game to use your dedicated NVIDIA or AMD graphics card, which instantly clears the visual freeze. Finally, if you are still stuck on the red screen no matter what you do, your core application files have become deeply corrupted during an update. If you are on a Windows PC, open your Apps and Features settings, find Minecraft, click on Advanced Options, and click the Reset button to safely purge the broken local cache. If you are on a console or mobile device, your fastest and most reliable fix is to completely uninstall the game from your storage settings and download a fresh copy from the store, which safely rebuilds the game without deleting your cloud-saved worlds. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.